Now we have the Kropatschek model 1886 carbine. It's another gun I got in an auction. This one here is the carbine version of, I have the rifle to this also. This here is the carbine version, shortened barrel. I guess it only has a 5-round magazine, and it has a bent bolt handle, but it's basically the same gun. And the rear sight looks a little different. It's got a different type of rear sight on there. Much like the rifle, this was another gun contracted for the Portuguese, manufactured in Styer. The carbine, I guess they liked it, shot the hell out of it, so it's in a little worse shape than the rifle I have. Again, I can use cast bullets. The bore's a little worn, more worn than the rifle, but it's a neat little gun. Like I said, the differences are the sight, and it's got a bent bolt handle, loading gate, tubular magazine. I think this one, it said it only holds 5 rounds. I'm not quite sure what the rifle holds, 6 or 7, maybe more, maybe close to 8. Stock's a little bit more beat up. You can barely see the stamps, like they're pretty clear on the other one. There's a little more wear on the metal parts. The other one's on this side. Stock's also a little bit more beat up, but it's a, I could see why they shot this. It's a handy little gun, lightweight carbine. Probably like using it a lot. Or these could have been, actually this is probably the smokeless sight, which was updated later, as compared to, which I may or may not be right, but I think the rifle still has the black powder style sight, which is basically a notch, and you flip it up, and your graduations are here, like this. So I got 2 different sights, and basically the only difference was when they went to smokeless powder, they changed the sight system, and that was basically all they did. The ammunition, like I said, there's a question about that. I guess that when they made the other cartridge from the 8x60 to the 8x56, I guess they never rechambered the guns. You just used the shorter ammo. I guess worked fine. So there's a little bit of confusion again with the ammo. I'm going to have to do some more investigation and try to get into reloading it. Fortunately, I have a bullet mold that uses the same cast bullets as the M95 style gun, same diameter. So it's a neat little gun, kind of unusual one. You don't really see many of these. I've seen a lot of rifles and short rifles, but carbines you don't see often. I was kind of surprised I got it. It's a little beat up shape, but be a fun gun to shoot. And another project I have along with my many other ones.